New high-resolution images of Spain's La Palma island reveal lava rivers spilling from the island's Cumbre Vieja volcano as its devastating eruption shows no signs of stopping nearly a month after it began. The images, captured by a satellite of the U.S. Earth observation company Maxar Technologies on Thursday, October 14, show the thick plume of smoke rising from Cumbre Vieja volcano crater, forming a dark heavy cloud above the island. Glowing streams of lava flow down the flank of the mountain range towards the coast, bulldozing everything in their path. The lava is forming a huge delta on the La Palma coast and has claimed around 98 acres, 40 hectares, of new land from the Atlantic Ocean, Maxar representatives wrote in a Twitter image description. The Canary Islands Volcanology Institute, in Volcanoes, shared terrifying footage from the ground on Friday, October 15, capturing a fast-moving stream of scorching lava running past abandoned buildings. The eruption intensified over the past weekend after part of the Cumbre Vieja crater collapsed on Saturday, October 9, allowing the lava to spill in new directions. Boulders the size of a house were seen rolling down from the crater as new lava streams quickly found their path towards the coast of the Atlantic Ocean, destroying settlements that had been spared the original outflow.